Welcome back, friends. On today's video, we're going to show you how to clean the air filter on your small engine. First, we're going to remove the cover over the air filter. And this air filter is just the foam type. And this one we can clean with soap and water. So let me just show you. All the oil in there, it's just nasty. And we're just going to clean this thing out. Just dish soap in there. It's kind of like a sponge. I'm just letting it soak it up and then rinsing it out. And there we go, all nice and clean. Now all we got to do is just let it air dry. We can reinstall it. Now if you have the different type that's not just the foam, you can try just blowing them out with air. Those pretty much, you can only blow them out so many times and you got to replace them. So that was cleaning the foam air filter from our small engine. Very simple, just warm soapy water, dish soap. Dawn works best. Breaks down that oil that gets in there because it's mixed gas in there, and some of that gas gets in the filter, and as it evaporates, the oil stays in there and doesn't allow it to do its job. So we just like a sponge, let it soak up the water, squeezed it out, just did that multiple times. And I showed you before I did it, when I would squeeze it, my hands were just all oily, sticky. Now there's nothing on them. Got all that old oil out of there, wrung it out good, and we just let it air dry. We can put it back in. We're good to go for the season. I thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Just getting this channel started. Hopefully this helps somebody. But would love a comment and a thumbs up, and would absolutely love some more subscribers. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.